5 AI shorts that can make you viral and monetize your channel.
Do you want millions of views, more subscribers, and a fully monetized YouTube channel? In this video, I'll share 5 powerful AI short video ideas that you can start creating today, even if you've never made a video before. Let's get started.
First up, AI Motivational Speeches. Imagine using AI tools to generate powerful, life-changing speeches that inspire people every morning. Pair AI-generated voices like Morgan Freeman or Oprah with cinematic AI images or videos. Add subtitles, dramatic music, and boom, you've got a motivational short that people will watch and share daily. Second, AI Animal Facts. People love animals, and bite-sized fun facts about them always go viral. Use AI image generators like MidJourney or Leonardo AI to create cute or realistic animal visuals. Then, add surprising facts like how octopuses have 3 hearts or penguins give their partners pebbles as gifts. This works for kids, adults, and even educational niches. Third, AI Fitness Shorts. The fitness niche is huge, and you can create AI-generated personal trainers that give quick tips, workout challenges, and healthy recipes. Imagine a 15-second clip that shows a virtual trainer demonstrating exercises with step-by-step captions. People love short, actionable content they can save and try. Fourth, AI Facts. This is one of the most viral niches right now. Share mind-blowing facts about artificial intelligence, robotics, and the future of technology. For example, did you know AI can now create 3D models from just one photo? Keep them short, impactful, and add futuristic visuals to grab attention. And finally, AI Stories. Use AI to create short sci-fi tales, moral stories, or even real-life inspired dramas. Combine AI-written scripts with AI-generated visuals and voiceovers to create a cinematic feel. Short stories keep people hooked until the end and are great for binge watching. There you have it, 5 AI short video ideas that can skyrocket your views, help you monetize your channel, and start earning money online. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI content ideas.